Okay, hello world. So, this is a wonderful day in Stockholm as we are speaking with wonderful weather, and I would like to show you one of my recent projects here. So this is the Certina Bristol 190, which I repaired before, and this has been one of my best projects because I repaired it, and I don't really remember if it was this one that had some hair in the escape wheel or not, but I think it was this one. I replaced the glass also, and this is anyways one of my watches which keeps the time really good, and yeah, it's actually looks very good also here. So I will take a little bit, show you around a little bit here, and this is the weather for today, but the camera is not really working. So yeah, this has been quite nice. I have been using this for like 5 days now, and it is working perfectly. And actually, yeah, it's a wonderful watch. I had one Bristol 195 before also, but I had to sell that one because yeah, I needed the money, I guess. My car broke, so it was pretty expensive to repair that one. But this one I want to keep as long as I can, because I love these watches from Certina and from Bristol, and they are really nice. Do you have a Bristol 190? Please share in the comments. So yeah, this keeps perfect time, and I really enjoy this watch. Thank you so much. I just wanted to share this and this wonderful weather today here. Thank you guys, take care. Yeah, so I also wanted to say, I used to show you my watches, and that's the only thing I show you in my videos, is because the star in my videos is the watches. For that reason, that's the only thing I show you. And well, I hope you enjoy the videos and keep watching them, and thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. Bye.